The 2026 Suzuki Camper Motorhome brings a fresh perspective to compact recreational travel by focusing on efficiency, smart packaging, and everyday usability. It is designed for travelers who want freedom on the road without the bulk of a large motorhome. Suzuki's reputation for reliability is reflected in this camper, with a solid build quality that feels dependable for long journeys. The overall design balances durability with a modern, approachable style that appeals to both new and experienced campers. The exterior styling is clean and practical, featuring smooth body lines and a compact footprint that makes it easy to maneuver through city streets and narrow campgrounds. Despite its size, it still looks purposeful and adventure-ready. Under the hood, the 2026 Suzuki Camper is expected to use a fuel-efficient engine setup, prioritizing low running costs and smooth performance. This makes it a smart choice for travelers who plan long road trips on a reasonable budget. Driving comfort is a strong point, with light steering and good visibility from the driver's seat. Whether on highways or winding rural roads, the camper feels stable and easy to control. The suspension is tuned to handle both paved roads and light off-road conditions comfortably. It absorbs bumps well, keeping passengers relaxed even on longer drives. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed to make the most of limited space. Every area feels intentional, with smart layouts that prevent the interior from feeling cramped. The seating area is cozy yet functional, offering comfortable seats that can easily convert into a sleeping space. This flexibility is ideal for solo travelers or couples. The sleeping arrangement provides adequate room for restful nights, with quality cushioning and proper ventilation. It may not be luxurious, but it is practical and comfortable for extended trips. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the interior. Cabinets, overhead compartments, and under-seat storage allow travelers to pack essentials without cluttering the living space. The kitchenette is compact but well equipped for simple cooking needs. It typically includes a small stove, sink, and space for a mini refrigerator, making meal prep on the road convenient. Water and power systems are designed for efficiency, supporting short off-grid stays. These systems are easy to manage, even for first-time camper owners. The dining setup is simple yet functional, allowing travelers to enjoy meals indoors when weather conditions are not ideal. It can quickly be rearranged to free up space. Interior materials feel durable and easy to clean, which is important for life on the road. Suzuki has clearly focused on practicality over unnecessary luxury. Lighting inside the camper is warm and well placed, creating a comfortable atmosphere during evenings. LED lighting also helps conserve power. Climate control is adequate for most conditions, with proper insulation helping maintain a comfortable interior temperature. Ventilation options add to overall comfort during warmer days. Safety features are a key consideration, with modern driver assist technologies expected to be included. These features enhance confidence, especially on long highway drives. Noise insulation is decent, keeping road and engine sounds at manageable levels. This adds to a more peaceful driving and living experience. The camper's compact size makes parking and daily use much easier compared to larger motorhomes. It can double as a daily driver for some owners. Maintenance and servicing are expected to be straightforward, thanks to Suzuki's wide service network. This is a big advantage for long-term ownership. Fuel efficiency remains one of the camper's strongest selling points. It allows travelers to explore more destinations without frequent fuel stops. The 2026 Suzuki Camper Motorhome is especially appealing for minimalists who value simplicity and reliability. It avoids overcomplication and focuses on core camping needs. Its price point is likely to be competitive, making it accessible to a wider range of buyers. This makes it a strong entry-level option in the camper market. While it may not offer the luxury of high-end motorhomes, it delivers excellent value for practical travelers. The focus is clearly on usability rather than extravagance. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Camper Motorhome stands out as a smart, efficient, and reliable travel companion. It is well suited for those who want adventure, flexibility, and comfort in a compact and affordable package.